nice for the weekend outing or watching a three-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category 1.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc.
Let's talk about the details of this hotel.
All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then tell us by commenting. We will help you.
Or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.